Hello drummers, if you saw my YouTube short, 5 rhythms that everyone should know, then this video builds upon that by adding extra snare drums and extra bass drums. So let's get into it. All these beats are counted as 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The bass drum is on the bottom line, snare drum is in the middle, and the hi-hat is on the top, the little X's. In example 1, the bass drums fall on beat 1 and in the second half of the bar on 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On example 2, the bass drums fall on beat 1 and on 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On example 3, we're going to put the snares into a different position. Beat 2 and beat 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On beat 4, leaving the bass drums out all together in the middle, just having 1 on the beginning of the bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Allows the beat plenty of room to breathe if you've got a very busy guitar part or something like that. On example number 5, we've got the bass drums falling in across the middle of the bar line. Beat 2 and beat 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On beat 6, we've got a basic syncopated beat where the bass drums fall across the bar lines, leaving out beat 3. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On example number 7, bass drums are going to go on beat 1, the and, 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On example 8, we're going to fill in all the bass drums pretty much apart from the last note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And on 9, we're adding in extra bass drums and extra snare drums. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And finally on beat 10, the snare drums in the second half of the bar here are off the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Remember, if you play these beats nice and clean and nice and tight, then you're well on your way to becoming an excellent drummer. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Check out the channel for some other free drum lessons, and I will catch you again very soon.